We got the Hornady Black doing this is the new version of the power test came up with, made it a little bit better to actually get a read on it. Shooting through the flower, 3/8 board, got the water jug. The flower is to make the bullet expand, and reinforced it with the 3/8 board. Hits the water jug, and what we got is 1/4 inch boards behind it, got 10, and we're going to see how many, after it expands, how many boards it's going to be able to push through before stopping. So that's the measurement of the power test, is to see how many 1/4 inch after the bullet bloop blows. That's a 6.5 Grindle. But yeah, after the bullet expands, we're going to see what it does on penetration afterwards. So that's the point of the test, and let's see if it works. All right, here we go. Power test. 300 Blackout, Hornady Black, 110 grain. See what we do. I will have the information in the tree. Nice misty 5-day heavy drizzle. All right, here we go. Rip through the flower. And, well, we did not have an out. That's what's left of it. So far on the Power Test 2.0, 300 Blackout is a no-go on even registering. Here's the hole, got the flower, and there's the entry. So we are no-go.